Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening GeForce Experience and confirming you're signed in. That lets the app detect available drivers. Once done, make sure your internet is stable and close games or GPU-heavy apps so the update won't fail. You're now ready to check for updates. Click the Drivers tab at the top left, then press the Check for Updates button. This begins the detection step and prepares the installer so you can choose the right package. You'll see a driver listing showing version, date, and highlights. Read the release notes to confirm it fixes issues you care about. Once decided, click Download and pick Express or Custom. Choose Custom only if you want a clean install or to omit components. While downloading, monitor progress, don't shut down the PC. After download finishes, click Install. This launches the Nvidia installer, which applies the update and optimizes settings for you automatically. You proceed through the installer by accepting terms and allowing any components to install. A restart is often required, so save work before continuing. After reboot, open GeForce Experience or check Device Manager under Display Adapters to confirm the new driver version. If performance regresses or crashes occur, run the installer again with Custom and check Clean Install, or roll back the driver in Device Manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.